My name is Gavin Barnard, and I'm a senior at Servite. I played baseball for 3 years. I'm the Asylum social media manager, a prior, a leader of the ambassador program, the historian of the National Honor Society, a member of CSF, and an avid member of countless clubs. My most asked question when I do tours is, will I meet girls? I was worried about this to my freshman year, but Rosary, our sister school, does everything with us. Girls are on campus after 3 p.m. almost every day. We also do football games and other sporting events, alongside dances and other service events. The all-boys learning environment is truly so much better than a co-ed school. It allows for participation without worry and builds closer friendships with our brothers. I mentioned I was a Priory leader, and Priory is very similar to ASB. Each student is put into one of 8 priories named after our holy founders. The Priory system serves as the practical lab where students actively apply Servite's formation themes: primacy of faith, mastery of self, necessity of the other, and centrality of Christ. Priory teaches us life skills like how to tie a tie, how to change a tire, or how to fold a fitted sheet. My personal favorite part about Servite is the Asylum, our student section. If you've ever gone to a Servite sporting event, you've definitely heard us in the stands. We're currently ranked #1 in the nation, and the Asylum is the living embodiment of the Servite Brotherhood. There's nothing else like it. I hope after hearing my testimony, you too will fall in love with this school the same way I did.